Welcome everyone, I'm John, this is the channel of Moon High Effect. Today I'm just going to show you a quick view over my Discord channel that I've made. Everybody can join for free at this point for another month and a half, and afterwards it will no longer be free for everyone. Everyone that wants to join, the link will be in the description below here. You just press it and you can join. If the link does not longer work anymore, let me know. I'll make a new one so that you can join on another base. So first of all, my vision. John's vision. So what I do, what will happen, what we'll do, trades that I buy and sell will be in here. We have crypto chats where everybody can chat about crypto, technical analytics for everyone, so that everybody can choose which analytic that they have made about the market, share it. It's nice to see different opinions in the market. Real note and mining gear, so it's also good for passive income. So if you have passive incomes that you want to join or share with everyone, that's nice. Mindset, because this is the most important thing about cryptocurrency, having a perfect good mindset. That's what everybody always should have had. Be happy, be thoughtful, and smile in life, because this is what makes you different than the rest. General chat, here goes everything that you want to share with anybody. So here you can just chat along with everyone. And new ideas for new channels of other things. Here you can do the ideas. So this is small Discord at this point. How bigger we get, the bigger it will go, and I hope you all want to join in. Now, something else that I want to share with you guys is I'm gonna start trading live every day from now on, and my goal is to make it to 1 million in 1 year. So I want to show you guys that anybody can do this. I had the skill and I want to share it with everyone. So I made the study. I gave you guys the chance to study it yourself now by putting it on my YouTube channel. But I also want to show you that I can do it also backhand, so that you can really see that I can trade also, and that I love to trade, and that we have patience all together. And any suggestion that you have and want to share with me, as always, much appreciated. When the live will start, I have no idea yet, but we will see when it comes to me and how I will do it. I will make a short movie about that too, and then we will start doing it. Now, I'm gonna end it by today. If you want to join, you know, everything is down in the comments. Please leave a comment if you like this idea, and share my channel with new conscious people. Have a nice day, everyone. Ciao.